Don't dye your hair because you're bored. That usually leads to bad things. And welcome to my channel. Now today is, I think, like part 3, maybe part 4 of me dyeing my hair for you guys. Now is the best time to do this, in my opinion, you know. So as usual, I always use Garnier Olia, and today I chose soft black because I feel like the dark brown just goes away really easily, and we're back to light brown. We are back to it, so I'm going to try to get rid of that and make everything dark. So basically how this goes is I'm just going to mix everything together, follow the instructions as usual. I'm going to show you guys, however, it's box dyeing. I'm sure most of you have already had experience with this. If you do not have experience with this, these boxes comes usually with 3 things. It comes with the developer, the colorant cream, and then the after conditioner that you use after you rinse it out of your hair. It also comes with gloves and directions, so if you're a noob, please read that. Please read it. Alright, we got the gloves. I have kind of long hair, so I bought 2 boxes instead of 1. I just want to be safe. I don't have anything white on. The shirt I don't really care about. The shower curtain though, however, has to leave. That's better. Alright, I think we're good to start. I'm gonna put music on and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Turned out. I've actually washed it once before and it looks crazy right now because I curled it yesterday and just brushed it out, so excuse me for looking a mess. I think honestly that this color works well for me simply because it goes with my features. You know, I have really light pale skin and dark hair. I think that usually goes well together. If you decide to dye your hair, I wish you all the luck in the world. I hope it comes out right for you. Good luck. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. I will definitely see you guys next time. Bye!